Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this beautiful 2024 Ford F-350 XL utility truck. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. It's got about 20,000 miles on the clock. Really nice, ready to go to work. It's got the ladder racks there on top. Tires are in good shape. Dually rear wheels in the back. Beautiful box in the back. Like I said, ready to go to work. All right, we're giving it a quick walk around. We're going to go ahead and take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Super nice. All right, here we go. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Super clean, looks good. Headlamp here on the passenger side looks amazing. Beautiful shape. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition with the grille. The other headlamp, super nice condition there. Take a look at the hood now. Hood's in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Take a look at the front fender. On the driver's side, beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Does have a dent right there. Small dent right there. Take a look at the driver door. Driver door's in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice. Does have a dent right here on that pillar right there. Besides, that looks good. Mirrors are in good condition. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition. Okay, work box in the back here. Looks good. Really nice shape. It's got that diamond plate on top there. Looks good. Really nice condition. Really nice shape. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, walking around the back. Looks good. It's got the hitch set up back here to go to work. Very nice. It's got a dent right here. Besides that, looks good. Really great shape overall. All right, more storage here on this side. It's a little bend right here on this piece here, a little crack right there. Besides that, looks good. Beautiful condition on this side. Looks super clean. Doors are in great shape. Look at that. Very nice. Racks on top look good. Diamond plate on this side also. Looks really sharp. Let's take a look in there. Really nice shape. Really great condition. All right, let's take a look here at the passenger door. Beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Mirrors in good shape. It's really nice. Take a look at the front fender. Front fender has a couple dents right here. 1, 2, 3. 3 dents right there. Besides that, looks good. Really nice condition. Glass is in good shape. Really nice. Looks good. Don't see any chips or anything on it. Looks great. All right, let's take a look here at the roof. The roof looks good. Really great shape. Lights are fully functional. Looks amazing. Take a quick look here at the glass. Glass looks good. Don't see any chip marks or anything on it. Looks really nice throughout. Really good condition. All right, that concludes our walk around this one. Looks really nice. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. We're taking a look at the driver door panel. Driver door panel is in beautiful shape. Look at that. Clean throughout. Very nice. This one's equipped with power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Very nice. Take a look at the driver's seat. Amazing shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Really nice shape. Liner looks good. Beautiful condition all the way through. Looks really clean. Ready to go to work. All right, we're taking a look at the door panel here in the front, passenger side. Door panel's in beautiful shape. This one's really nice. This one has power windows and power locks. Beautiful condition. All right, take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Beautiful shape. Super clean. This one seats 3 passengers. Very nice. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Rubber floors are in great shape. Looks really nice all the way through. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Ford F-350 XL utility truck. Gonna go ahead and start it up. Take a look at the key fob. Lock, unlock. Panic. Ford key, really nice. Gonna start it up, let's see. Starts up perfect, fantastic. All right, let's take a look at the mileage there. 26,074 miles. RPMs, miles per hour. Oil gauge, temperature gauge, fuel gauge. I believe that's the transmission temperature. Beautiful display there in the center. So if you go through that, we can click through it. Look at that, super nice. Look at that, it shows you all the temperature and all that stuff for the transmission, for the oil. Super nice. We're gonna leave it on miles per hour for now. It also has the compass there showing up and the temperature outside, which is 92 degrees right now. All right, let's take a look at the turning signals. Working perfect, really nice. All right, this is for the transmission. So I believe it has different modes here. When you press this here, put it in drive. There you go. You can put it in manual mode. It's a 10-speed. All right, fantastic. So we'll leave it in park for now. Let's do the rest of the video. All right, we're taking a look here at the controls for the lights. Parking brake release. Power windows, power locks. Cruise control on the steering wheel. Volume controls for the radio. This for the information center. The menu, super nice. Steering wheel's in great shape. Taking a quick look here, very nice condition. Dashboard's in beautiful shape, looks amazing. Really nice shape. All right, take a look at the screen here on this one. Looks amazing. Down below here, controls for the AC, for the radio. Power plug, USBs. Drive modes. So right here, normal drive mode, slippery road, trail. That's what we have. So tow haul mode, econo mode. So we'll leave it on normal for now. There it is. That's the drive modes right there. This is for the towing. Really nice. Radio controls are on top, AC controls on the bottom. It's got a power plug there. It's got another 120 there. That's nice. USBs, another power plug there, a little tray down there for stuff. Display's in beautiful condition. Dashboard's in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. It's got a bunch of switches here for auxiliaries. You can set that up. Sunglass holders. Got your courtesy lights up here, LED, super nice. Seatbelt airbag for the passenger in the front. Really nice condition. All right, let's take a look here. Right now it's on the AM station. We're gonna go to home. I guess we are in home right there. So audio, sources. So AM, FM, and Bluetooth audio. On the bottom, we press that there. That's for the phone. This is for your apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, super nice. Mobile hotspot also. Settings, you got your radio, your phone list. Really nice. A lot of settings there. And then vehicle features. All right, fantastic. That's pretty much it. Beautiful condition. All right, that's it on this one. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to take it for a test drive in a minute. We'll be right back. All right, we're all set. Take this one for a little test drive. Here we go. Feels good. A lot of power. Super smooth. Really nice. Look at that. We're going 50 miles an hour. It feels amazing. Really quiet. Okay. Really nice, smooth drive. Really great drive. Okay, stay tuned. That completed our test drive. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, under the hood, and the utility cabinets. We'll be right back. All right, let's take a look at these boxes inside. Went ahead and opened them all up. Beautiful condition. They look really nice. This box is amazing. Look at that. You can see through the other side there. It's got some trays in the center. Really nice. All right, let's take a look at this one. Couple shelves here. Really nice condition. Look amazing. There's a big tray here. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape. The one in the back here, lower one. Really great shape all the way through. Let's walk around the other side. Beautiful condition on this one. Looks amazing. Really amazing shape. All right, take a look here. Really beautiful condition on this one. Super clean. Really great looking box. Very nice. This one here's the one you can see all the way to the other side. Beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and close them all up. Close up perfect. Very nice. Walk around the other side. There we go. Very nice. Boxes are in great shape. Locks are good. Closes up perfect. And this one's the last one. Very nice. All right, perfect. Boxes are in great shape. Looks really nice throughout. Really great condition. This is a big one up here. We didn't open up. There you go. Didn't open this top one here before. Looks good. Great condition on this one. Very nice. Let's go ahead and open the other side. All right, let's unlock it. There you go. Super nice. Look at that. Really great condition all the way through. Looks amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the back panel here. It does have some dents, some damage here on this back panel. You can see there. See that? A couple dents there. And over here on this side also another dent here and here. So a couple big dents back there in the back wall here. Doesn't really do anything, but we got to discriminate it anyway. Look at that. Good condition overall. We're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really nice shape. Looks clean throughout. Very nice condition. Looks amazing. Beautiful shape. Beautiful condition. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire here on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition. Looks really nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. It's a Michelin tire. Beautiful shape. Look at that. Amazing. Take a look at the tire tread on the rear tires here on the driver's side. Tires are in amazing condition. Good amount of tire tread on there. Michelin tires all the way around. Looks amazing. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Looks amazing. Rear tire here on the passenger side. Tire tread's great. Look at that. Amazing condition. Michelin tires. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Looks amazing all the way through. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire here on the passenger side. Also Michelin tire, brand new. Looks really nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Looks super sharp. Amazing. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Ford F-350 XL regular cab utility truck ready to go to work. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information, novaautosales.net. Thanks for watching.